Good morning class 4. Now today what we learn? We learn about the chapter 3, that is the northern and the coastal plains. And what we have learned in our previous lecture, that is the national capital Delhi and about Haryana. And in this lecture what we have learned? We have learned about Uttar Pradesh. What we learn about the Uttar Pradesh. This is one of the states that lie in northern plains. Now, what are the specialties of Uttar Pradesh? What are the famous things that used by the people of the Uttar Pradesh? So, Uttar Pradesh is famous for guavas and mangoes. Guavas means jamfal or mango means aam. So it is famous for guavas and what is second thing? The second thing is the mangoes. There are many sugar, textile, leather and chemical industries. There are many industries like sugar, textile, leather, because there are many sugar cane जो होते हैं सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ होते हैं? That is उत्तर प्रदेश. So which industries are in the Uttar Pradesh? Like sugar, textile and leather and chemical industries. Now the chicken curry embroidery of Lucknow and silk sari of Varanasi and brassware of Muradabad are popular all over the world. Now children, see page number 26. That is the work, that is the embroidery, like that name is called chicken curry, and this is the silk, this is the Bhagalpur silk that are very famous, very popular in the world. ये जो world में ये बहुत प्रसिद्ध है. कौन कौन सी? The chicken curry embroidery and the Bhagalpur silk and the Kumbh Mela that are held in 12 years in Prayagraj. प्रयागराज में क्या लगा जाता है? कुंभ मेला, जो कि हर कितने साल बाद होता है? 12 years. So the Kumbh Mela that held in 12 years in Prayagraj. And Agra, Varanasi and Lucknow are some tourist attraction place. So what we learn about the Uttar Pradesh, that is it is famous for guavas, mangoes and there are some tourist attraction place like Lucknow, Varanasi, Agra are some places of tourist attraction, and it is famous for many things like which embroidery, like chicken curry, like chicken curry embroidery, and we write here, okay, this famous for sugar, textile and leather industries, and it is also famous for sugar, textile, leather and chemical industries, and it is famous for what? That is mangoes and chicken curry embroidery and silk sarees, brassware, and the city Allahabad is famous for Kumbh Mela. The city Allahabad is famous for Kumbh Mela. Now, what are the specialty of the Uttar Pradesh? It is famous for guavas, mangoes, silk sarees, chikankari embroidery, brassware. And what are the main tourist attraction place? That is the Lucknow, Varanasi and Agra. And which industries that are in Uttar Pradesh? That sugarcane, textile, leather and chemical industries. And Allahabad is famous for Kumbh Mela. How many years? It held in 12 years. It held in 12 years in Prayagraj. In Prayagraj. So, what do you know about the Uttar Pradesh? That it is famous for, yes, guavas, mangoes, silk sarees, brasswares and chikankari embroidery. And what are the famous tourist attraction place? That is Lucknow, Varanasi and Agra. And which type of industries? Like sugar, textile, leather and chemical industries that are in Uttar Pradesh. And Allahabad is famous for Kumbh Mela and it held in every 12 years. Okay. Now, what we learn about? We have learned Bihar. See children, these are the photos. These are the photos of chikankari embroidery and this is the Bhagalpuri silk. And see in page number 25, these are the picture of Humayun's tomb. ये कहाँ पर है? दिल्ली में. These are the pictures of Humayun tomb was built in the memory of the Mughal Emperor Humayun. ये किसकी याद में बनाया गया है? जो मुगल एम्परर हैं हुमायूं, उनकी मेमोरी में. ओके, सो हुमायूं tomb was built in the उनकी याद में बनाया गया है. That is the Humayun tomb. Now, our next topic is what? That is Bihar. Our next topic is Bihar. What do you know about Bihar? Okay, now Bihar is famous for lychees. Bihar is famous for which fruit? That is lychees. Bhagalpur is a center of silk weaving. Silk weaving means silk की जो बुनाई होती है, that is silk weaving. So, which is the center? That is the Bhagalpur is the center of silk weaving. And litti chokha and sattu paratha are popular dishes. So, what are the popular dishes of Bihar? That is litti chokha and sattu paratha. And Chhath is the important festival of Bihar. That is छठ. वहाँ पर छठ पूजा होती है और ये सबसे important festival है that celebrated by the people of Bihar. And most people speak Maithili and Bhojpuri. Patna, Gaya and Rajgir are places of tourist attraction. So, what do you know about Bihar? What is it is famous for lychees. First thing, and the second thing, what are the popular dishes? That popular dishes like litti chokha, and which paratha? Sattu paratha. festival, that is Chhat. Chhat is the important festival that celebrated by the people of Bihar, and people speak, what they speak? They speak Maithili and Bhojpuri. And tourist attraction place, that is, what are the tourist attraction place? That is Gaya, Patna and Rajgir are some tourist attraction place. So what we learn about Bihar? That Bihar is famous for lychees. And what are the popular dishes? Like, see, this is the लिट्टी चोखा. ये कौन सा फूड आइटम दिया गया है? That is लिट्टी and चोखा. Okay. So what are the popular dishes that people of Bihar eat? They are fond of litti chokha and sattu paratha. They are fond of litti chokha and sattu paratha. And what is the most popular festival of Bihar? That is the Chhat. Chhat puja की जाती है. Okay. So Chhat is the most popular festival of Gujarat. People celebrated this festival and enjoy it. Now the fourth one is the people of Gujarat. They mostly speak Maithili and Bhojpuri. And there are some tourist attraction that are which places? Gaya, Patna and Rajgir. And one more thing, that is the Bhagalpur. And what is famous for? It's famous for, it is the center of silk weaving. It is the center of silk weaving. So there are 4-5 questions that make in this topic, that what is famous in Bihar? That is the lychees. And what is popular dishes of Bihar? So our answer is litti chokha and sattu paratha. And which people of Bihar, what they speak? So they speak Maithili and Bhojpuri. And how many tourist attraction place? What are their names? So your answer is Gaya, Patna and Rajgir. And one more question, which is the most important festival that people of Bihar celebrate, that is the Chhat. And where is the silk weaving center? Where is the center of silk weaving? So your answer is Bhagalpur. जो भागलपुर है वो सेंटर है किसका? सिल्क वीविंग. So the Bhagalpur is the center of silk weaving. Okay. Now our next topic is West Bengal. Our next topic is what? West Bengal. These states are also the part of the northern plains that lie in the northern plain. And West Bengal, the rice, jute, tea are the main crops grown. So what are the main crops? Like rice, jute and tea. Now Darjeeling has many tea gardens. Tea gardens where the tree grow, जहाँ पर ये tea उगाई जाती है. So in which place? That is the Darjeeling in West Bengal. There are many tea gardens in Darjeeling. Now jute mills are located along both banks of Hooghly River. So what they located? Here are the jute mills. Okay. Now, fishing is an important occupation in the coastal region and people speak Bangla and people speak what they speak? People speak Bangla. And Durga Puja is the most popular festival of West Bengal. So, what is the popular festival of West Bengal? That is the Durga Puja. And what are the main crops that grown here? That is rice, jute and tea. From where there are many tea gardens. In which place? That is the Darjeeling. Okay. And which is the important occupations in this in West Bengal? That is the people that are living in the coastal region of West Bengal. Their occupation is fishing. And people speak Bangla. Okay. Now, what we write? West Bengal. So, West Bengal, it is famous main crops, that is rice, jute, and tea. What are the main crops? Rice, jute and tea. Now, the second one is people speak. What is speak? Bangla. Third is festival. What people celebrate? That is Durga Puja. That is the Durga right. That is the Durga Puja. Now, fourth one is it is famous for Darjeeling tea. It is famous for Darjeeling tea. Okay. The main crops, that is rice, jute and tea. People speak Bangla. Festival Durga Puja and it is famous for Darjeeling tea. And the people that living in the coastal region, their main occupation is fishing. Now, our next topic is Assam. Our next topic is what? Assam. So, what is the specialty of the Assam? Now, Assam is famous for tea and silk. Petroleum and natural gas are found in Digboi. Digboi is an area where petroleum and natural gas are found. Many women wear mekhla chador and blouse, and most people speak Assamese and then celebrate Bihu. Bihu is the what is Bihu is the main Bihu is the fest. They celebrate Bihu festival. Now, what is specialty of Assam? Assam is famous for Assam क्यों famous है? Assam is famous for tea, silk, natural gas, and petroleum. people is mean people is mean Assamese, and they celebrate what they celebrate? They celebrate Bihu. So, what are the speciality of Assam? That is, it is one of the states that lie in northern plains, and it is famous for tea, silk, and natural gas and petroleum. And where they found the natural gas and the petroleum, they found in which? That is the Digboi. Okay, Digboi is the name of place where natural gas and petroleum are found. Okay, and people speak Assamese and they celebrate what they celebrate? They celebrate Bihu. So, children, what they learn about the state that lie in the northern plains? They are what they are? They are what they are? West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Punjab, Haryana. Okay, and so quick revise about Punjab. Why Punjab is famous for, and what are the popular dance of Punjab? The popular dance of Punjab, that is the Bhangra and the Gidda. And which festival the people of Punjab celebrate? They celebrate Baisakhi and Lohri. Okay, and what are the special Punjab dishes? People fond of makke ki roti and sarson ka saag. And the farmer, they use the modern machines like the tractors and most harvesting machines like threshing machine, winnowing machine. Okay, so they use the farmers of the Punjab use modern machines in farming. And many tourists visit Golden Temple. Many tourists visit Golden Temple. Golden Temple is the tourist attraction place. And many tourists, they visited which? And where are these? Is it Golden Temple? Is it Amritsar? Amritsar में है. कहाँ पर है? Amritsar. Now, next what we learn about the Haryana. And what are the speciality of the Haryana? It is special for, like the Punjab, people of the farmers of the Haryana also use modern machines in farming. Okay, and many people are engaged in cattle rearing and dairy farming. And what are the most tourist? What are the city that are famous for industries like Faridabad and Gurugram? These cities, there are many industries in that city. जो फरीदाबाद है और जो गुरुग्राम है, वहाँ पर बहुत सारी क्या है? इंडस्ट्रीज है, लाइक ऑटोमोबाइल्स इंडस्ट्रीज, लाइक आईटी इंडस्ट्रीज, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इंडस्ट्रीज. So there are many industries are in which city? Which two city? That is the Faridabad and Gurugram. Now next, what we learn about Delhi? There are many tourist attraction places in Delhi that are Qutub Minar, Humayun's Tomb, Lotus Temple, Jama Masjid, Akshardham Temple. All that are lie Red Fort. All that are lie in which? Delhi. And this Delhi, that is situated in the bank of river. Which river? That is Yamuna. And some people work in office and some have their own business. Now next what we learn? We have learned about the Uttar Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh is famous for guavas and what? And mangoes. And many industries like sugar industries, textile industries, chemical industries and leather industries are in Uttar Pradesh. And Allahabad is famous for Kumbh Mela. And Kumbh Mela, it is held in every 12 years in Prayagraj, that are in Allahabad. In which state? That is the Uttar Pradesh. And it is famous for chicken curry, embroidery, silk sari and brassware also. Now what we learn, and the famous city of the Uttar Pradesh, that is Varanasi, Agra and Lucknow. Then what we learn? We have learned about Bihar. So Bihar is famous for lychees. Bihar is famous for lychees, and the favorite and the popular dish of Bihar, that is the litti chokha and sattu paratha. And the people of Bihar, they speak Maithili and the Bhojpuri. And the famous tourist attraction place of Bihar is Gaya, Patna and Rajgir. And one is the center of the silk weaving. That is which? That is the Bhagalpur is the center of silk weaving, and which is the important festival that celebrated in Bihar, that is the Chhath. Okay, Chhath Puja is the famous festival that people of Bihar celebrated. Now what we learn? We have learned about West Bengal. So West Bengal, there are many rice, jute and tea that are the main crops that grow in which state? That is the West Bengal. And Darjeeling has many tea gardens. Darjeeling में बहुत सारे क्या है? Tea gardens. See this, Darjeeling and Assam are famous for tea gardens. A large number of women work in tea gardens. And what is the most popular festival in West Bengal? That is the Durga Puja. Durga Puja is most important festival in West Bengal. And people that are living in the coastal region of West Bengal, so what their occupation? Their occupation is fishing. Now what we learn about Assam, and Assam is also famous for tea and silk. There are many tea gardens in Assam also, like West Bengal. And there are petroleum and the natural gas that are found in which place? That is the Digboi. Digboi is the place in Assam where the petroleum and the natural gas are found. And most people, yes, they celebrated, people of Assam celebrated Bihu. Okay, I hope you understood the chapter very well. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.